this on? Oh, thanks. Oh, it is. Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Rita, and I am Simple Self-Care by Rita. And I'm a stress buster, and my passion is to help you go from feeling crappy to happy with simple self-care. So one of these self-care experiences I offer is called Pamper Me, Aromatherapy, do-it-yourself salt and sugar scrub. So some of you might be wondering, like, what exactly does that mean? Well, just what the name says, we're gonna do some aromatherapy, we're gonna do some what I call sniffology. So all of you are gonna get to pick a beautiful apron, and they come in different colors. My assistant is gonna, see, oh, we have beautiful, okay, that was a beautiful mango one. We have neon green, we have blue, we have mango. So all these things you get to pick, and then we have, oh my gosh, okay. So you get the idea, right? You get to pick an apron to protect your clothes while you're working with the oils and the salt and the sugar. So on every table, we're gonna have 5 basic essential oils, and you're gonna have bottles of different carrier oil. And there's avocado, there's olive oil, we have sweet almond oil, jojoba, fractionated coconut oil. So you get to make a salt and sugar scrub. So you get to leave with these 2 self-care products, Pamper Me products. And on top of that, we always make a couple extra different surprise products. I like to mix it up a little bit. This last class we did striped bath salts. So you get a jar, I supply the mica powder, and you make your bath salts. I'm also looking at some other special recipes for fragrance stones. We also make little mini roll-ons, all different kinds of things that you can take home and keep on pampering yourself, because self-care is so important, and you've got to take care of you. So I hope you decide to join us. Thank you. See you soon.